Listen up. What if you had the power to create stunning visuals, logos, graphics, and ads that demand attention, all in seconds? With Artistly, that's not just possible, it's effortless. This isn't just another design tool, it's light years ahead of the competition. Let's start with the unlimited AI text-to-image generator.
I can upload my own photos and create perfectly consistent images and characters from them. And it's not limited to just one character. I can maintain consistency across multiple characters and different scenes. You can even recreate any image you see on the internet. Just upload your own content and it will match the style and create it for you, consistently. What really blew my mind is that I can upload my own face and generate ads with perfect text rendering. Plus, I can transform my images into artistic styles like watercolor, pencil sketch, comic style, and so many more. But it gets even crazier. They've got one-click AI agents that can generate complete storybooks and coloring books all on autopilot. I literally went from just an idea to a finished storybook with full character consistency and storytelling in one click.
Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we're going to be selecting the Fast AI Image Designer, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at specifically consistent characters. Okay, so once you're in the Fast AI Image Designer, you need to select consistent characters, train your own AI, and we're going to be looking at multi-consistent characters. So once you come onto this feature, this will allow you or enable you to use multiple characters, okay, consistently in your design creative. So here we can see we have a selection of character 1 and character 2. So we've got this boy and his father in different situations. They're both driving the car, then they're in the plane flying together, and they end up in the jungle. And then we've got other scenarios here just to show you, don't be afraid to test them out and try different versions. But there's some, it does create a very powerful narrative when you're using the multiple consistent characters function. And taking it one step further, the brilliant thing is that yes, you can take these images if you want, and you could go into the advanced AI image editor and take it even further. So let's say this cartoon here. Okay, let's have a look at this storyboard here. So if I really wanted to build it out, again, small little things like this go a long way. If I wanted to resize it and actually build out this image even bigger than what it was, and things like in painting, go and doing these edits, but it looks really good. I can build this out into a banner. I can use it and essentially create a thumbnail from it, add text, and really here we can see, check this out, it's really built out a really good image there. If I want to come back to it, go to Smart Expand, and maybe I want to make it for a mobile responsive thumbnail, so more for TikTok, Shorts, etc. So using the multiple consistent character function, yes, it's amazing, but then when you start tweaking things and using other functions like the advanced AI image designer, it goes even further. You really are refining it, and you're building out that narrative or that picture that you want. So you can purpose that one piece of content into multiple different repurposed pieces of designs that are applicable for all devices and all projects. Okay, something like this, you can see now if I wanted to, I can then go add text to it and add it into my story, or make it the thumbnail of my story if I'm using consistent characters. Maybe I'm making a mobile ready version of then taking my images and using something like Talking Photos or Video Express AI, making videos from them. Okay, so in this video we looked at how you can use consistent characters, and more specifically multiple consistent characters using Artistly. So go ahead, don't be shy. Yes, go ahead and try different prompts and really allow the AI to learn from you. And as over time, when you're trying different versions out or different prompts, it will become very clear and the best way of moving forward with it. But you can see some really good results using this, and that's why it's so important. Using or creating 4 versions gives you more choice and gives you a better ability to see which one the AI generates the best, and then from that you can really pinpoint a good prompt and learn from it, and also evolve in when you are using this powerful feature. Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in another video.